Hey everybody, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. So in this video, I'm going to show how to use the round turn and 2 half hitches knot. Alright, let's have a look. So before we have a look at a few ways you can use the round turn and 2 half hitches knot, let's quickly have a look at how to tie this great hitch knot so you can see clearly how it's tied. To tie the round turn and 2 half hitches, first pass your working end around your anchor point for 2 complete turns. From there, go around the standing part and make your first half hitch and snug it up to your wraps. Then tie your second half hitch by passing the working end around the rope again and feeding it through the loop. And then finish the knot by snugging it up tight. Okay, now that we've seen how to tie the round turn and 2 half hitches, let's go out and see a few ways we can use it. Okay, so the first application I'm going to show is just using the round turn and 2 half hitches as a temporary hitch while you're, working with rope. So all I need to do is take my working end and I'm going to just make my full wrap around the tree and come back, cross my line, come up underneath, and then tie my second hitch off the working end. So I've got my working line here, and now that's my round turn and 2 half hitches. So as you can see, it will slide up and down the line. So all I do is I just cinch it back against the tree, and then it's not going to go anywhere. It's really not going to go anywhere anyhow, but once I have it all set up and there's tension on the line, I just want to tighten it up by moving the hitch just close to the anchor point. Okay, so I've just dragged the canoe up onto shore, but it's windy at shore and I want to make sure that it doesn't blow away. So I've got my rope, I've got it tied off to the canoe, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a round turn and 2 half hitches to this big log. It's going to be my anchor point, and that'll hold it in place. So I'm going to go around the log. I'm going to go all the way around for a full turn. And then I've got my working part here, my standing in the middle, and I'm going to come down in between. Then I'm going to come back to the outside and tie another half hitch. And so there's my round turn and 2 half hitches to secure my canoe to shore. Okay, and so finally another application that you can use the round turn and 2 half hitches is when you're setting up a tarp. So tarps usually have grommets, or they will have loops that you can tie off to, and basically you just tie it the same way, of course, passing the working line through either the grommet or the loop, and then again, so you have a full turn, then come back down, go through the space that you created, right? So we cross over our working line with our standing part, go through that loop so that we've created a half hitch, and then we create our second half hitch. Now it is possible that our second half hitch on these we can make a slip knot, but if you make it a slip knot, it's going to be less secure. Okay, the security of this knot comes from the wraps, and then they're secured off with the 2 half hitches. But if we create a slip knot, which is fine, and I do sometimes, it's going to just make the entire knot a little bit less stable. And so for a tarp shelter especially, or an application where there could be shaking, slip knot's probably not the best idea. Okay, so then down at the other end of the guy line, so this is a guy line, we have our ridge line that runs across, and the guy line runs off a edge. Down at the other end of the guy line, you're going to want to use a different knot, probably a taut line hitch or a midshipman's hitch, basically something that's going to be adjustable, that you'll be able to adjust the tension within the line, and by doing that, it's going to help increase the tension on the knot at this end. So there you have it, the round turn and 2 half hitches knot. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thanks for watching.